Oh, hey. I didn't notice you there. Just so you know, we have our shop online with a whole list of new merchandise. Go check it out at shinchoku.tv/shop. I don't really like heights. I like sitting up here. I'm like at the edge too, so it's like worse. We got tons of different styles. This is one of our new logos. And we have our old style shirts. Actually, we have a bunch of different logos and whatever on there. That was actually kind of funny. Jake actually got in there. Zach's gonna see this and be like, what the hell? Actually, Zach doesn't even watch our videos. He's not even gonna see this. Yeah. Let us know which designs you like the best, and if you like that stupid little thing that we just did right there, because we had a lot of fun doing that. So this is my old block from the 1.5J that I built. I'm gonna show you guys some clips, because here's the thing. We've been gone for a long time. We haven't done a video in forever, so let's do like a quick little catch up. So we're gonna do like a little quick recap of some stuff that we've been up to, that we've recorded, some or whatever. I have some stuff. I literally have a montage already built. We're gonna show you some of the stuff that we did. I got like a 2JZ. I got my car painted, and yeah.
My car's still in the same spot. Don't worry, guys.
I thought we drove your car recently.
Oh, I took it to.
Yeah, you got
I took it to the track.
You got a two front. You took it to the track.
Yeah.
He's like cool now. Really
I'm really not, but.
You wonder I've been. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. Got a thing for you, and I can't.
So yeah, so I got a JZ. As you saw in there, I got like a 2JZ. 2JZ head, non-VTI. I painted my car. I went and drifted park with this 2JZ I bought and literally spun a rod bearing like day 2, first lap. That's not it. It's in the car still. I have 3 JZ blocks, brother. Anyway, so what we're gonna do right now is we're pulling the crank out of this. We're gonna get this is a 1.5 block. We're gonna go get it bored over. Jim Heald, who's Patrick Heald's dad, is like getting it taken off or doing it all for us or whatever. So, but yeah, he needed the crank out from the board over, so we're gonna do that. He said we're good to run these bearings. So I have like Manley H-beam rods and CP Curlo pistons in 2 days. They were supposed to come tomorrow, but they're coming in 2 days. So, anyways, we're just gonna take this apart real quick. Dude, look at this friggin'. Dude, this thing. Brand new bearings in here. This motor literally only had 3 events, and then I blew it up. So actually, I found out why I blew it up. So I said before that it blew up because of fuel slosh, which is also true. So I got a surge tank now. Why are you looking through the viewfinder? But actually, this motor blew up because I didn't think about it that I was running 20 psi on high compression, so 10-to-1 compression pistons, and so I got a lot of detonation, just like what came out of Jake's butt right there. And yeah, blew it up. So, but we're just boring it over. It's gonna be good. We're gonna fix it. We will make it work. Jake, you look confuddled right now. And I mean that in the kindest way possible. Dude, don't put the camera in there. This guy. There's number 1. So yeah, dude, these are literally, I can't believe I didn't like get more than 3 events out of this motor, and I didn't even get a second day of driving the 2JZ. That kind of sucks. Oh yeah, these bearings are freaking brand new, buddy.
The one time I'm not sitting.
The one time Jake's not sitting, but he's still useless. Just kidding. You're a very useful person, Jake. I do.
I'm holding a camera, trying to drink a Truly.
Trying to drink a Truly. Jake.
Drops.
Ulysses S. Grant Larson. Yeah, all these are good. I mean, they should be good. It's brand new. It's less than 1,000 miles. For sure, less than 1,000 miles. I don't know if I'm going to put all of these clips of me pulling out bearings, because I really don't want some kid to be like,
that's not what you're supposed to do. I built one motor one time with my grandpa who said never to do that. Wow.
I delete all your comments anyways if you do that, FYI.
Do you actually?
Yeah. I just laugh because I'm like, no one's ever going to see it, because I check the comments. And
We read your comments.
I reply to every single one. Except for the spam ones. They're like, follow me back. And it's like some hochada that's like, oops.
Trying to get some YouTube fame?
No, it's just fake account.
Oh yeah.
Body boy, stop it, I say. Ye shan't do that and can't and need to notice.
Do you use a screw? Screw?
Oh, let me wait. What are you doing? Why are you're gonna pull the friggin' hole seal out? I'm saying pull this whole metal piece. That's why I loosened it.
Screw? Uh-oh, that one's not seated properly.
Yeah, because I just pulled the stinking crank out, and it like creates suction because there's oil on there, you slingus. What are you Don't let him ever touch a motor. Like the crank like falls in the background after I say that. Okay, so Jim told us he didn't need the crank, but he did need the main caps tightened down, like to torque to spec. So we got them all in, torque to spec, and then they're gonna strap like it's called like a torque plate on the top of this. It's like a CNC machine like plate that bolts onto this so that it puts like the pressure or whatever of like a cylinder head being on it. I have no idea, dude. I'm not a machine shop guy. Like, I'm barely even able to assemble this motor. But Jake and I are gonna go make dinner right now. And what else are we gonna do? Yeah, I bought that 2JZ and I was talking about it. So I'm gonna go through some stuff because I really haven't like talked too much recently. We haven't like, I mean, the little recap thing that we have doesn't actually like say a lot. I mean, maybe I did put in.
It doesn't go over everything.
Anyways, I bought a junked up motor, and I was told literally before I went and hit the event at Park that the bearings had like one event left in them. I was told when I bought it, it was rebuilt. I was told right before the event that it was gonna blow up on your boy. So, yeah. Anyways, blew up at the event. I looked on the log, and there was a spot where I peaked like 150 something PSI, and I was like, damn, like no. And I popped the front main seal out, spewed oil all over the place, which kind of sucks, but whatever.
You hit 150 psi.
150 psi oil pressure. Because we didn't do remember we did that like spacer thing on the oil pump?
Yes.
I didn't think of that. We just slammed that motor, jammed it, and ran, right?
Yeah.
Well, I was probably like shredding the bearings at that oil pressure. Like I was probably literally like ripping bits of the bearings out. It was like freaking 150 psi. That's like a lot. So.
Yeah, because like
you get bearing damage at 130 or 135, so 150, and then it rod knocked afterwards. So I was like, hey, that makes sense.
Can we start it up?
No. It takes so long. I never did the cold start on it.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So and it's hella cold.
All right, let's go make dinner. I'm hungry.
Guys, please make sure to go check out the shop. We just got it up recently. I don't even know if I'm gonna end the video here because I might do it when I drop off the motor on Friday. And you can come with me because you're off.
I'm gonna go make dinner.
Oh my gosh, Jake, we need to go to do stuff together.
Alright, bye.
So today we're actually off to Jim's shop, and we are going to be dropping off Daniel's 2J block. He actually just got his pistons in today, and that was kind of just like a little thing. We're gonna run back in here.
Gloves.
Yeah, but anyway, Daniel actually did get a truck.
Yeah.
You want to tell us a little bit about that?
I bought this truck and it was a pile of junk. Crashed the front. The wheels weren't centered in the front. This tells you which way the car's pointing, north or south. Welcome to the Clutter Fest.
And you're just catching this thing on everything.
Say again?
You were just catching that thing on everything.
Dude, straight up. Oh my gosh.
Alright, so let's get this guy in there. Little heave ho, we actually got it in here.
That's a lot more heat than you're really letting on to.
Hey, do you want to put something over that because it's Washington?
It's driving down the street. We're literally going like.
I guess it is getting bored too.
And it's getting bored over. He's probably gonna suggest to deck it.
30 minutes.
Oh, we got it.
All right, and off we go.
Got a thing for you, and I can't let